president of PAM organization. Seat national parliamentaries is very, very important. You know, Turkey is between Asia and Europe, two countries, two important nations. So I suppose the best place is dialogue. And what I have seen is the time they're very committed dialogue. Contacts with European community, with the Muslims. So I consider that Turkey of the key for the world, but that's to reach a very country, even to develop. Even the economic development of Turkey is also very, because if you have government, give to the people the best targets to reach, want to make the people happy, and I see that in Turkish that is going to do, and I'm sure that will be a very useful from the